So hello everyone, welcome to another episode of TNP Talks. So you guys must be thinking why I am hosting the show because today Saleh will be on the other side of the seat. He will be sharing his own experience as a TNP, and along with him we have another special guest with us, a very talented and very determined TNP coordinator of Electronics and Instrumentation Department of NIT Agartala, the one and only Ekansh Ranjan. Ekansh, welcome to Placement Buddies, and to be very formal, welcome Saleh to Placement Buddies.
Thank you so much, Ravi.
My pleasure, Apurva. Thank you.
So yeah,
You both are doing awesome job. For juniors, you are creating a base for everyone.
thank you.
Really
Yeah,
awesome job you are doing.
Thanks a lot, Ekansh. We just hope कि उन लोगों को help हो जाए इससे.
हाँ.
Exactly.
So, Ekansh, today I'll make it a little more interesting. So, since you both are working together since last 1 year, so you guys must be knowing each other very well. So, Ekansh, please introduce Saleh in your point of view.
So, Saleh is an extraordinary person. I have seen him not only since these means being TNPs, but even before that in second year, third year. And he has been an extraordinary person, and his managing capabilities are awesome. Like really awful capabilities he have. He can manage like at least 3 to 4 work together. His academics, anything else like personal life, and apart from them, his responsibility on post which he manages them very well, and his helping nature. I'm really like grateful to Saleh. Along with me, he has helped our branchmates and even maybe some other batchmates of our year. He has helped in every possible way, even through Google Meets, even on calls, long talks, and all. And even he has adapted as a role in TNP very well. He has been in touch when we were IC. Unfortunately, he was not an IC, but he was there in touch and the process. So he has adapted as a TNP very well, and he has emerged as one of the most like efficient TNPs of our batch.
Okay, that's
Like
very
I
nice.
am
That's very
grateful to
nice.
work along with him.
Yes. So now, Saleh, I'll request you to give a small introduction about Ekansh.
At the outset, I'd like to thank Ekansh for such a good introduction of mine. And having said that, if I want to tell something about Ekansh, then I must tell he is the true definition of discipline and commitment towards his what is called the routine life. This guy will wake up early in the morning. He's a very good basketball player. Along with this, he has maintained a good records in his academics as well as in the TNPSL being a TNP. So from Ekansh, I learned to manage and all the parts of his life, being a good sportsman, then being a good student in academics, being a good TNP. So Ekansh is someone who is very disciplined, and at the same time he can manage academic and non-academic stuffs with equal efficiency. So there are many things to learn from Ekansh. इनिशियली क्या होता था कि जब we were made the TNPs of our branch, Ekansh used to call early in the morning. I used to think, oh my god, this guy is waking up so early. Has he gone mad? फिर क्या होता था कि I used to work late in the nights. I used to text Ekansh and he's not even there. मतलब वो single tick WhatsApp पे. I used to think कि why is he sleeping so early? But then I realized the discipline and the commitment Ekansh has shown towards his regular routine life is truly amazing, and there are a lot of things to learn from Ekansh. So yeah, it was my pleasure to work with Ekansh, and we will obviously continue as friends in the long run. So that is all about
It was
him.
my pleasure too, Saleh. It was my pleasure too. And being a point for like things I have learned from Saleh was taking everyone together. Man, he has like uh, इतनी अच्छी कैपेबिलिटी है उसकी कि taking a whole class together, be it a day scholar, be it a hostler, means he is in contact with everyone, and that not to a formal contact, it like a friend like contact with everyone.
I agree.
And
I
he,
agree.
yeah, totally. I'm like grateful to work, and it was my pleasure to work along with Saleh as a TNP.
Means a lot, Ekansh. Means a lot.
And
Thank
it
you.
was my pleasure to have a great TNPs like you guys.
Okay.
Okay, so Ekansh, you had been associated with TNP Cell, I mean, since it is 2 years now. So first you were,
2 years, yeah.
first you were internship coordinator, then you became training and placement coordinator. तो आईसी से टीएनपी तक वो ट्रांजिशन कैसा था तुम्हारा?
हाँ, like मतलब कि from being an IC to being an TNP was a smooth transition. क्योंकि the work remains same, responsibility gets bigger. वो चीज transition was smooth, but being an IC was a bit difficult task because that was a learning phase and you have to learn a lot of things, get through the drives means आप वहां पे गलतियां करेंगे, you will learn and like you will learn so that you do not do same mistakes being a TNP because it's a huge responsibility and even a small mistake can cause a lot of बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट कर सकता है इवन अ स्मॉल मिस्टेक बीइंग अ टीएनपी सो बीइंग एन आईसी वाज अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग learning it was a learning phase and the transition from IC to TNP was a smooth but these 2 years taking being an IC being a TNP these 2 years have changed me a lot it has groomed my personality and that's what it has been 2 years for me in CCD NIT Agartala.
ओके सो साले तुम बताओ अपनी जर्नी के बारे में, क्योंकि तुम पहले आईसी नहीं थे, उसके बाद तुम टीएनपी बने, तो सिचुएशन के साथ तुम कोप अप कैसे की?
सी व्हाट आई बिलीव इज लाइफ में जो चीज जब होना होता है वो हो जाता है. लाइक कुछ भी चीज टाइम से पहले आपको मिलेगा नहीं और टाइम के बाद भी नहीं मिलेगा. एवरीथिंग विल हैपन इन अ सर्टेन टाइम. ओके सो आई गेस मैं इंटर्नशिप कोऑर्डिनेटर की प्रोसेस में था एंड आई अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई डिडंट बिकम द इंटर्नशिप कोऑर्डिनेटर. मे बी आई didn't had sufficient skills that time to become the IC. But then having said that, I believe after completing my TNP tenure, I believe that अगर मैं IC होता तो शायद मैं उतना efficient as a TNP में काम नहीं कर पाता. शायद मैं बीच रास्ते में आके give up कर देता. I see myself only learning and developing interpersonal skills and help the nature of helping people and taking the class together and eventually working towards the common goal, that is to make students of NIT Agartala placed. So that entire journey of being a TNP is a learning in itself, I must say. And I see na hona bhi and striving for getting the position of TNP was also a kind of learning. And I have only learned a lot in this 2 years of my journey of being an internship coordinator candidate to a TNP. So that is it.
Okay. So, Ekans, now from where did you get the motivation to join TNP Cell?
See, talking about motivation, like I always love to be in being a position of responsibility, and in college, I try to be in position of responsibility lot many places,
Yes,
like being
we have seen.
in a basketball team or being in class. Some work of responsibility I used to take because I love to do that, and I thought being an IC and TNP, it was a great place to be there because you have to carry a lot of responsibility on your shoulders and along with the same thing you have to be totally efficient because you cannot only carry like you have to like that give your duties properly and being a so that being like loving the post of responsibility was my motivation and I thought TNP and IC was the best place to be there. And along with that, like it also gives a exposure of teamwork even way before then you go in a corporate life. You learn a lot of things being with different kind of people. Obviously, no two people can be same. You learn like how to manage with everyone, like respecting their thought and working on that and convincing everyone. And as I have already said, these two things have groomed my personality a lot. I have changed a lot. It made me better person at the end of the tenure.
Okay.
That was the motivation I took from it.
Okay. So, Saleh, what was your life before joining TNPCL and after joining TNPCL? How it has been changed?
See, in short, if I can say, life before TNPCL was all about planning, and life after TNPCL is all about execution. Like initially, I used to think I can be a good leader and I can lead from the front. And after completing my TNP tenure, I have seen that yes, I can be a good leader, and that feedback I have got from my fellow mates and from my branch mates. Life before TNPCL was like I wanted to help someone, and I wanted to be that source of happiness for someone. The happiness which a student gets after getting placed. I used to think that before entering into the TNPCL, but after entering into the TNPCL, it actually happened. And that sort of satisfaction and that sense of accomplishment what I got after hearing from my students that yes, I have contributed to his or her placement in some other way, some way or the other, I actually feel so good, and it is it is a post of responsibility which makes you more matured and more understanding towards the difficulties of your life. And once you become mature, not only the TNP stuffs or managerial stuffs, you
Yeah.
actually deal more nicely with your personal life and the difficulties and hurdles which you face even in your professional life as well. So yeah, life before and after TNPCL is all about learning and development of own self, and also contributing towards the development of others. So that is what I feel.
Okay.
And that satisfaction, like students getting placed in like with your help or other, it's like a very beautiful experience when you like get some response from others like thank you or something like that. It's beautiful,
Exactly.
and it's like really a very satisfying moment for every TNP. It will be a satisfying moment.
Exactly.
Okay. तो मतलब एकांश, being a TNP of electronics and instrumentation department, how easy or difficult it was to convince a company, for allowing EI? And if you ever felt you are a TNP of any underdog branch?
No, no, like underdog, that word never came to my mind because electronics instrumentation carries two words: electronics and instrumentation. Maximum companies, I will not say all the companies, but maximum companies allow whichever company allows like CSE branch or ECE branch will allow electronics and instrumentation as because we have electronics there. Many companies who not even allow electrical engineering even allow EI branch
Okay.
because we carry that electronic word along with us. And so it was easier, but like convincing companies is never easier, but it we actually have an edge over other branches because of because we carry two things: electronics and instrumentation. And being an instrumentation branch, every core company needs us. So for core companies we are there, like we will be present in every core company, like if the companies have vacancy for instrumentation engineering.
Right.
And difficulty we obviously face because sometimes company do take like if they only allow CSE and ECE, so under any circumstances they don't allow electronics instrumentation department. So that was some difficulties we faced. But other than that, it was easier for us to convince because we were present in almost every drive of the company until unless it was completely core electrical, mechanical, and civil. So it was easy for us.
Okay.
We faced kind of difficulties, but it was easier for us.
Okay. And Saleh, what's your view upon that?
See, having electronics and instrumentation, both electronics and instrumentation in electronics and instrumentation engineering actually gives you the edge in a way that due to electronics you get eligible in IT companies, and due to instrumentation you get eligible in core companies. But the difficulty, yeah, as per the eligibility is concerned, EI gets eligible in almost all the companies. And as circuital coordinator, sometimes also it gets very hectic and difficult to manage parallel drives together. But the difficulty
Yeah.
comes around that point when the companies favor some skill set which are there with CSE academics, or CSE students tend to learn those particular skills. These skills might not be available with the EIE students at times. So what it actually gets that once the recruitment thing gets over, you can see some CSE students getting placed, but very few from the EI. On the other hand, what happens is that sometimes companies come and they tend to, being IT companies also, they tend to recruit people from core branches. The thought process behind this thing is like the companies used to think, ki, okay, if I recruit a core student, then he or she may be there with my company for maybe 2 to 3 years or after that. But if I recruit a circuital student, he or she might get another better opportunity, and the student might leave my company. So that kind of thought process stays in some sort of companies, and that is why less number of students gets recruited as per the other branches are concerned. So yeah, that's a big concern. But yes, being in electronics and instrumentation, I must say there are many opportunities, and much more opportunities than the core branches, at least. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's like overall, having, if I don't consider those minute disadvantages, then I must say being in electronics and instrumentation is a total blessing.
Okay. सो एकांश, जैसे कि तुम्हें पता है कि हमारे टाइम पे ग्लोबल पेंडेमिक चल रहा था, अभी भी चल रहा है। तो ड्राइव वर्चुअल हुआ था। तो मतलब कंपनीज को कन्विंस करना वर्चुअल ड्राइव के लिए वो कितना आसान और कितना डिफिकल्ट था?
देखो, हमने जो डिफिकल्टी फेस की ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडेमिक इज कि जो रेगुलर कंपनीज थी दे वर विजिटिंग आवर कॉलेज, बट फॉर न्यू एडिशन दिस वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज एनी कंपनी डिडंट वांट टू ऐड न्यू कॉलेज इन देयर लिस्ट ऑफ प्लेसमेंट। सो वहां पे उनको कन्विंस करना कि लाइक कम टू आवर कॉलेज बेटर वाज डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज like I can say if it was not a pandemic time, I would have like we would as a whole team would have made a contribution to add at least 4 to 5 or even more than that new companies to our college other than regular companies. But that what is pandemic has stopped us or restricted us from doing that because and even in the companies who do visit regularly, they have less number of vacancies because as companies are laying off due to all other things. So the vacancy is less, so the recruitment is less. That is what we have faced in
Okay.
this pandemic. That
Okay.
the restriction of the pandemic or that thing.
ओके। तो मतलब साले इन पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन पे स्टूडेंट को मोटिवेट करना कितना आसान और कितना डिफिकल्ट था? क्योंकि इन सारी चीज़ों में स्टूडेंट बहुत जल्दी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो जाते हैं। तो मतलब उन्हें उन्हें मोटिवेट करना कितना आसान और कितना डिफिकल्ट था?
See, that's a very difficult.
That thing Saleh does very well.
Yeah,
Yes.
That thing Saleh does very well.
that is a very difficult task to do for sure because see there's a peak time for placements, so called peak time for placements. जब तक मतलब मैक्सिमम बच्चों का हो जाता है placements, you will see your friends getting placed into companies and you will try to create self doubt in yourself. तब तुम शायद 2-3 टेस्ट में अपेयर कर चुके होगे एंड यू माइट नॉट हैव क्लियर द टेस्ट। तब तुम 4-5 इंटरव्यूज में भी बैठ चुके होगे एंड यू माइट नॉट हैव क्लियर दैट इंटरव्यूज, और ये बात तेरे से अच्छा कौन जाने। सो हैविंग सेड दैट, मतलब एज अ टीएनपी यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक विथ योर मोटिवेशन और आई शुड से पिच टू द स्टूडेंट्स, ताकि you don't cross that limit of giving false hopes also, and you don't cross that limit of having that very zero hope. So you have to be between zero hope and false hopes. You have to be between that particular thing. You have to make that student understand that okay, opportunities और है आगे और opportunities आती रहेगी, and you have to stick by your basics and you have to keep performing. But the difficulty lies that even after your motivation, उस स्टूडेंट का पता नहीं, मतलब बहुत सारी फैक्टर्स होते हैं ना प्लेसमेंट्स में. It's not always about your about how much you deserve, or it is not always about how much your skill set are. कभी कभी लक फैक्टर कर जाता है, कभी कभी कंपनी की रिक्वायरमेंट्स नहीं होती उतनी अच्छी, कभी कभी कंपनी वो चीज नहीं ढूंढ रही होती है जो तुम्हारे में है. ठीक है. So in that particular situation, being specific with your pitch and being specific with your motivation is what I believe. जैसे कि एक कंपनी ने तुमको रिजेक्ट किया है, you have to as a TNP first you have to decode that आपकी उस पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट को क्यों उस कंपनी ने रिजेक्ट किया है. Then you have to be there for that particular student. Sometimes I used to check resume, sometimes I used to listen interview experiences from the students, and I tried my level best to dig out that particular thing from them कि कहाँ पे उन लोगों का गलती हुआ है. एंड अगर मेरे को कोई गलती नहीं मिलता है then it was maybe due to company's requirements or something. I used to console that particular student. So yeah, it's a very difficult task, but I should say that students have responded tremendously well to our pitch and motivation, and they have shown immense faith on us. अगर मतलब अभी भी there are opportunities coming, and students, those who have already given up, they are also trying those who have already given up at one stage, they are also now trying their level best to get placed. So yeah, I just hope that everybody at the end of the end of the financial year gets a job.
And like this pandemic had made it more difficult to keep the students motivated. Like we are not in physical contact with anyone, calling everybody, because on phone we can only talk, but if we were together in hostels, it would have made an immense difference between that thing. So this pandemic made it a lot difficult to do that.
Yeah, and it depends on the transparency of the students as well.
Yeah. How much they want to tell us and what thing they want to tell us.
जो स्टूडेंट इंटरेक्ट करेगा उसी के साथ तो उसी को तो मोटिवेट कर पाएंगे, राइट.
Yes.
तो दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट आल्सो कि वो कितना सीखना चाहता है. सीखना अगर स्टूडेंट चाहता है देन वी आर अवेलेबल 24/7 सिखाने के लिए. लेकिन वो अगर खुद से ही गिव अप ऑलरेडी कर दिया है,
कुछ लोग हेजिटेट करते हैं बताने में लाइक व्हाट प्रॉब्लम दे आर फेसिंग, है कि नहीं? कुछ लोग हेजिटेट करते हैं ये चीज बताने में कि क्या प्रॉब्लम वो फेस कर रहे हैं, फिर वो दे लाइक कीप फेसिंग दैट प्रॉब्लम थ्रू आउट द ईयर.
राइट.
Exactly. So, Ekansh, as Saleh said, the students showed immensely faith upon you guys. So, how important it is to get the student supports for you?
Yeah, like it's completely, I will add everything to what Saleh has said. Like agar se if student there is no student support, then it will be difficult for you to do your job. ठीक है. और अगर the contact should be strong. अगर स्टूडेंट का सपोर्ट नहीं, कुछ लोग हेजिटेट करेंगे एंड ही विल नॉट टॉक टू यू, तो वो वहां पे आप अपनी जॉब प्रॉपर्ली नहीं कर पाएंगे. बीइंग अ टीएनपी यू नीड द कॉन्टैक्ट नीड्स टू बी स्ट्रांग, वेरी स्ट्रांग with every student, and communication needs to be fluent. आपको खुद अपने आप को खुद रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि आई विल नॉट टॉक टू दैट स्टूडेंट और लाइक कुछ, क्योंकि बीइंग अ टीएनपी आपको कोई भी ग्रजेस नहीं रखने किसी भी स्टूडेंट से, इवन इट इज पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल एनीथिंग. समटाइम्स बीइंग अ टीएनपी यू नीड टू बी स्ट्रिक्ट, और अगर से आपका सपोर्ट नहीं स्टूडेंट से, तो वो जो स्ट्रिक्टनेस है वो कैन बी वो उसका कुछ गलत मैसेज भी जा सकता है स्टूडेंट्स के पास.
एग्जैक्टली.
लाइक मींस वो होता है ना कि पावर का गलत यूज या समथिंग लाइक दैट, डिफरेंट द रॉन्ग मैसेज विल बी गोइंग टू स्टूडेंट. तो अगर से वो सपोर्ट एंड बिलीफ, इफ यू हैव दैट बिलीफ ऑफ योर स्टूडेंट्स इन यू एंड दैट सपोर्ट यू हैव, यू कैन डू योर जॉब प्रॉपर्ली. अगर कुछ गलतियां हो जाती हैं, दे आर देयर टू बैक यू. सो वो चीजें दैट मेक्स योर जॉब इजी. दैट्स द थिंग.
Exactly. Well said.
See, Opurvo, in that context, I wanted to tell you, like, there are three categories of, students, or there are three category of cases what we face. The first one is the most easiest one. जैसे मान ली कुछ स्टूडेंट्स की तरफ से भी ट्रांसपेरेंसी है एंड हम लोग को भी मतलब बहुत इजी हो जाता है उसको हेल्प करने के लिए. कुछ सेकंड केस ऐसा होता है कि कोई स्टूडेंट थोड़ा हेजिटेट करता है, लाइक टीएनपी को अप्रोच करने में थोड़ा हेजिटेट करता है. इन दैट केस व्हाट वी डू इज लाइक we approach that particular student and we try to know from him or her कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या इशू है, ताकि वो हम लोग मतलब उसको हेल्प कर सके. लेकिन द थर्ड केस बीइंग द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट वन, क्या होता है कि वो स्टूडेंट ऑलरेडी उसके दिमाग में ऑलरेडी ये परसेप्शन है कि आई विल नॉट गेट द सपोर्ट फ्रॉम माय टीएनपीज और these guys are not the TNPs which I wanted. ओके, सो उन सब स्टूडेंट्स को मतलब एक होते हैं ना कि बहुत मतलब जिद्दी होते हैं, मतलब मैं ये सही है तो मैं सही हूँ, तो मैं ही सही हूँ, मतलब कोई मेरे को सही गलत नहीं बता सकता, कोई गलत से सही नहीं बता सकता. तो उन सब स्टूडेंट्स को मतलब गाइड करना, मोटिवेट करना, इट गेट्स वेरी हैक्टिक और वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर us also, but at the end of the day all the students are same for us and we have to keep working for everybody's
और इवन इफ कहीं हमको अगर से लगता है कि वी आर एट द फॉल्ट, मींस अगर से हम फॉल्ट एंड पे हैं, तो देन वी विल हैव टू गो टू सॉल्व दैट इशू, की ताकि स्टूडेंट फिर हेजिटेट ना करे. बहुत लोग रेजिस्ट करते हैं कुछ चीजें करने के लिए, तो वहां पे फिर वो डिफिकल्ट होता है उनको कन्विंस करना कि लाइक डू एज वी से एंड यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट्स. ये चीज होती है.
राइट. तो Saleh, any tips you have for the candidates who are aspiring to be training and placement coordinator, and actually especially वो लोग जो IC नहीं बन पाए, उनके लिए ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर बनने के लिए कितना मोटिवेशन होना चाहिए?
See, the guys who have been continuing as IC and मतलब अभी IC के बाद अभी TNP फेज में ट्रांजिशन होने वाला है जिनका, I will tell you guys, just be yourself. अब तक आप लोगों ने जितना किया है that is not going to count. अभी इंटर्नशिप सेशन इज ओवर नाउ, अभी प्लेसमेंट सेशन चालू हो गया है. इंटर्नशिप, एक स्टूडेंट के पास इंटर्नशिप का एक्सपीरियंस 2-3 महीने तक ही रहेगा, उसके बाद दैट कंपनी मतलब उस कंपनी के साथ उस स्टूडेंट का कोई एसोसिएशन नहीं है until and unless he gets a PPO. Now placement session is something which is going to test your abilities, which is going to grill you, and मतलब you have to go through a lot in this session being a TNP. कभी कभी ऐसा भी लगेगा यार I should give up. उस टाइम पे just think of the fact कि आप लोग क्यों प्लेसमेंट सेशन में, प्लेसमेंट टीम में आए हो. ठीक है, think about that motivation, as Ekansh has said, from where he got the motivation. If your aim is to serve yourself, then you are not going to be a good coordinator at all.
Obviously.
If you have come here for proving someone or proving to the world that yes, you have some abilities or potential to lead your class from the front, or making a statement in front of everyone कि yes, I am there to lead, then you work in that particular direction. अभी जो लोग आईसीस नहीं थे, जो लोग अभी नए मतलब टीएनपीस बनने वाले हो, यू आर न्यूली एंटरिंग इनटू द सेल, आपको पहले 1 महीना 1.5 महीने ये सब लगेगा, या इट्स वेरी ऑब्वियस एंड इट इज ऑल राइट टू फील दैट वे कि ओके मे बी आई एम नॉट अमॉन्ग द मोस्ट पॉपुलर्स, और मे बी आई एम नॉट अमॉन्ग द वंस मतलब जो आर द गाइज हु आर लीडिंग द सेल फ्रॉम द फ्रंट, मे बी आई एम नॉट अमॉन्ग देम, बट नो, you have come here for a purpose and you have to help your students. आपको अपना मतलब खुद का क्या स्टेटस है क्या नहीं वो साइड में रख के you have to work for the common goal, that is to increase the placement percentage and to make the students placed. उसके लिए शाम दाम दंड भेद कुछ भी कर लो, but you have to be precise with the fact कि आप यहाँ पे क्यों आए हो and आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है. You have to be available with your mobile and laptop 24/7 जितना पॉसिबल हो सके. एट द एंड यू आर ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बीइंग, मतलब इतना पॉसिबल नहीं होगा कि मतलब आप पूरी टाइम पे मतलब पड़े रहो टीएनपी के काम मतलब काम के लिए, लेकिन एटलीस्ट द ऑफिस टाइम you have to be there for your students, you have to be there for your faculties, you have to be there to contact companies and add new companies. That should be your main focus to do. And obviously टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करूँ तो be proficient with Google Forms, Google Sheets and all, वो सारे डेटाबेसेस बनाने में बहुत काम आते हैं. And obviously you should have a good communication skills and a good pitch to convince the companies, and a good helping and motivating nature towards your students. That was my tips. So, yeah.
The most important thing, like I will like to add something to that.
Yeah,
the
sure.
most important thing, as Sarah has already said those things, like you cannot be selfish being a TNP.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं सोच सकते कि पहले मेरा प्लेसमेंट हो जाए फिर आई विल लाइक सी ऑफ अदर्स कि उनका होता है या नहीं होता. देन वो लाइक साले बीइंग एग्जांपल, एंड साले हैज मेड अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट कि यू कैन नॉट बी ऑन योर स्टेटस कि यार आई एम नॉट पॉपुलर अमंग द टीएनपीज एंड ऑल. You can, like I will say, you can take example from Saleh. Saleh was not an IC. He was a new to TNP cell, and like he emerged being a like in that core team of TNP cell. He has leaded from the front in the TNP cell. So you can take example. It cannot be, and you should make your mind that you will be grilled in these in your tenure of TNP. You cannot make a mind of leaving that in between the term. So you should be well prepared for being a TNP for next year, because you have to work for your classmates. You have to sometimes face what you don't like. Classmates कुछ ऐसा कहेंगे जो आपको पसंद नहीं है. They will resist you something, and but you will have to be completely what I say, बहुत प्यार से रहना पड़ेगा. Completely patient and very much friendly to your classmates. That will help you a lot.
हाँ, और कभी कभी क्लासमेट्स प्लेसमेंट्स के बाद भूल भी जाएंगे आपको,
भूल भी जाएंगे
आपसे, तब भी आपको नहीं पिघलना है.
You cannot like expect this gratitude from anyone.
Being
That's your job. You have to
but
do it.
Your code of conduct. That's it.
Yeah.
Being professional.
ओके सो एकांश, जैसे कि हम सबको पता है कि बीइंग एन अमेजिंग टीएनपी यू आर एन अमेजिंग स्टूडेंट एज वेल, and you got placed at Deloitte. So what will be your tips for the coming aspirant students who will be sitting in the next interview session?
See, I will say ki be prepared, completely prepared, and first of all choose where you want to go, whether it's being a same thing, IT sector, core sector, or even it's consulting sector. Be prepared, completely 100% prepared, or more than 100% prepared where you want to go. And if you have some extra capabilities or skills, it's like plus point for you, because I was a core aspirant. I was completely core aspirant because
Yes.
I wanted to take placement in core, but I had few skills and I got placement in Deloitte. So if you have some additional skills, it's better for you, and if you don't, like it's completely doesn't matter, because you can go in whatever place you want. And for my department, electronics instrumentation, you have both opportunities, almost equal opportunities for core and for IT sector. And other like these are what I would like to say: academically be strong, be prepared, and few other things like be motivated. Like amidst this pandemic, if the classes don't open means physically and goes on online, so it will be difficult for you to like if you will not get in contact with anyone physically. So don't feel shy to call anyone and share your problems. Call your friends, and like don't get frustrated, because if you don't call anyone, you will be frustrated at home. You cannot share like I'm not getting
Yes.
placed and all these things, what I have felt. You
Right.
cannot share these things with your parents कि placement नहीं हो रहा है, ये problem हो रही है, ये problem हो रही है.
नहीं, वो लोग नहीं
Because the
समझेंगे.
best advice,
हाँ.
हाँ वो लोग नहीं समझेंगे ना. Best advice can give you, your friend can give you
हाँ.
best advice. Who is competent? I'm saying that thing. Being you can talk to your TNP or any experienced member जो place हो चुका है, जो place होने वाला है, whichever you feel better with. ये चीज है, यही टिप्स है. तो देखो मैं ये एकेडमिक तो इट्स लाइक मैंडेटरी थिंग, लेकिन जो मैं इम्पोर्टेंट व्हाट आई हैव फेल्ट ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक इज डोंट बी व्हाट आई से आइसोलेटेड मत हो जाओ.
हाँ.
बी इन कांटेक्ट विद एवरीवन, दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. नहीं तो ऐसे घर में फ्रस्ट्रेशन बहुत होता है. एंड होप्स हो कि लाइक कॉलेज रीओपन सून एज पॉसिबल.
Yes. So yeah. All right, guys, and thank you very much. And actually, those are the golden words from one of the two great TNPs of NIT Agartala. And we all know that Ekansh is preparing for something very special. Obviously, that I will not reveal. And okay, Ekansh, you have to promise that after achieving that goal, you will again come to our channel and share your experience.
That's sure, 100% promise.
So thank you guys, thank you Saleh, thank you Ekansh for being with me, and it was great talking to you, and thank you again, and now I'll wrap it up.
Okay. It was our pleasure, Apurvo. Thanks a lot.